morning. Had a beautiful morning. Back at it again with another vlog. Back at work already. Working up here in Homestead. Well, let me get to it. Good? Yeah. Lunchtime. Trying to stay dry. Trying molding all it down. I just got a carpet. Alright, all done with work, getting ready to head home. I got done early, so what the hell? I'm gonna go pick up Ronnie from school, then head home and relax. Yeah, boy. Knock, knock.
What?
Knock, knock.
What? Knock, knock, who's there?
Me.
Me who?
Me.
Me who?
You know.
You know who? Is this a joke or what?
No.
Oh,
How was your day?
good.
Pretty good day?
Yeah,
What you doing?
I'm cold.
You live in Florida. How can you be cold?
I'm cold. Go get me the cat.
I don't know what a cat is.
Just go find her and give me to her.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks. This is a memory game. We have 3 cups. You're gonna have to remember what this thing is in, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put it, watch what cup I put it in first. Okay, now it's in that cup. Wait,
What cup?
okay.
Trying to cheat.
I'm not cheating. It's in this cup.
Oh, wait, okay. Let me see what cup. What cup?
I'm gonna put it in this cup right here. Now
Wait. Okay.
It's in this cup.
All right.
What cup is it in?
Any, many, money, more. Take it by his toe. If he holler, let it go. My mama said to pick the very best one, and I do not know which one it is. This one.
You said you don't know which one it is, and then you pointed at that one, and then you say it's this one. What? I don't get it.
Did I win?
Nope.
I lost.
You don't get it. You don't get it. Here, now you do it to me. I bet you $1,000,000 I'm gonna remember.
Yeah, boy. Bon appetit. What you gonna eat?
Look at the mess, bro.
Clean.
We moving. Hi.
Whoa. Look freaky out here. I can't believe it's still raining. I'm out here watching the rain, and I should be packing. Ooh, rainbow. I don't know how there's no sun. Yeah, boy. Okay.
Make sure you like and subscribe and just comment down below. Yeah, boy?
You alright?
Yeah. I've been running around. Yeah, boy?